Tossing and turning, awake in the middle of the night. Humans spend about a third of their lives sleeping, or trying to. Sleep tracking technology may offer a window into what's keeping them up. 8 Sleep sells a so-called smart mattress. Vibration-detecting piezoelectric sensors are packed into the mattress bedding.
They act almost like a stethoscope, where it's picking up on all the different vibrations at the different frequencies that your body is emitting throughout the night.
An algorithm sifts through the night's data for information on body temperature, number of breaths taken, rollovers, and resting heart rate. The next morning, users check their sleep app to see how they did in the various stages of sleep. Louisa Nicola, a neuroscientist and brain performance coach who has a partnership with 8 Sleep, says the rise of sleep trackers like watches, rings, and smart mattresses are giving people valuable information about their sleep health.
You had 15 tosses and turns. We noticed that you got up during the night, so then you can really gauge an understanding of, you can break apart your sleep and figure out what's going on during those 8 hours.
For example, people don't sleep as well with their pets in bed as they think they do. 8 Sleep's data show while they sleep slightly longer, sleep quality is lower.
The pet in the bed is to have an impact, probably because the pet is also moving during the night. And we see the same with partners. So when you're sharing the bed with someone, people who go to bed together and get out of bed together, they will sleep better.
In the future, the company hopes to add more sensors to its mattress to detect changes in a person's body beyond sleep, information that might point to potential health issues. Michelle Quinn, VOA News.